chose to design a ceramic product because I love a beautiful story. And I imagine the first man, the first woman, who have take some mud, some water, and put this mixture, this clay, in the fire, in an oven, and suddenly, miracle, one of the most beautiful material happen. This is beautiful because it's aristocratic, because it's noble, because it's the story of humanity, because it's the intelligence, the genius of humanity. Because also we are now hopefully out of the Kleenex society. You remember this strange idea 20 years ago, everything was for 3 months, for 6 months, for put in the garbage like that, and we don't care. It's not true. Now, modernity is longevity. We have now, when you buy something, to think that it's no more for you alone and for 6 months. Now it's for you, all your life, for your children, and for the children of your children. That means now the beautiful is longevity, transmission, heritage. Nothing has more longevity than the ceramic. You see, if there is a rain, if there is something happen, always what you find at the bottom of the sea, anywhere, there is always a piece of ceramic. And it's the new scale of the time. Modernity, I repeat, is durability. And this gives a dimension, another dimension to any project made of ceramic. I choose Ceramic Sant'Agostino because I love people. I love the right people. You cannot expect to have the right product, the honest product, the quality product, if the people are not like that. Before everything, it's always a love affair. You have to be in love with your partner. It's like parents. If parents want beautiful children, they have to be in love. I love Italian people because they are more sophisticated, they are more human, they are more intelligent, and I find all this quality in the people of Sant'Agostino. They know their job. When I arrived with my project, it was really difficult. Really difficult. I saw them, they was pale. They said, oh shit, how we can do that? And I see the old engineer of the company, and we have work and work and work. And every time the guy said, that will be difficult. But every time he find a solution. And that is very important. Sant'Agostino is an ethic company. They are very concerned by everything well done, ecological, honest, rigorous. For me, it's enough, because my job is to guarantee to the people who will use the product that will be the best product. And to have the best product, you have to do it with the best people. That's all. Why I designed this project and why it's called Flexible Architecture? It's because I am a designer, I am an interior designer, I am an architect, and I need product. I use product every day. And I use a ceramic tile. But every time, a ceramic tile, it's 15 by 15, 20 by 20, 30 by 30, 40 by 40, but it's always simple square. And at the end, it's just a treatment of the surface. Can be beautiful, beautiful colors, beautiful finishing, beautiful pattern, but it's just a surface that don't give you architecture. That's why finally I discover that if you increase the joint and if you make a system of with this big joint on one side, on two sides, on four sides, with a texture, with no texture, with matte, without matte, glossy, finally I can make an architecture on the wall. With this, it's no more a 30 by 30. If I combine this, I can make 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 6 meters. It's an infinite a new territory for the imagination of the architect and the interior designer. And that's my job. My job is not to make a new tile, a new color, a new pattern. My job is to find new possibility to open the potential of creativity of just a regular tile like that. I think everybody will be happy, the architect, the interior designer, and finally the people who will live with this, because suddenly their home will become architecture.